This video is about using nihao as a greeting. Nihao has two main functions. Number one, as a greeting to say hello to someone. And number two, to get somebody's attention by saying hello before asking a question or making a request. The limitations of nihao. Nihao is a greeting used for peers. However, for strangers, elders, or people with a higher level of authority, a different greeting, ninhao, should be used instead. To use the wrong greeting would be like saying hi to the Queen of England. It would just be considered impolite. So how do you use nihao? Nihao should be used at the beginning of an interaction, the same as how we say hello in English. You can say nihao followed by the person's name, or alternatively, you can say someone's name and then nihao. For example, nihao Jason. Jason, nihao. Or finally, you can say nihao without the person's name. Pronunciation. The pronunciation of nihao is a little bit deceptive. It is two third tones or low tones. Together, two low tones becomes a second tone, a rising tone, followed by a low tone. So, for example, instead of saying ni hao, which is really difficult to say, we would instead say ni hao, because it is much easier to say. Here are some examples of Chinese people saying ni hao to one another.
哎，你好，你好，你好。到了。哎，你好。
Hello， 你好。你好，你好，你好，你好。
Hello， 你好，你好，你好。Hello。哎，要说。不用，什么都不用，随便。哇，你自己在做菜。
So that just about wraps up the video. So just to recap, we have 3 main points. Remember to use the greeting ni hao at the beginning of your interactions. When speaking to someone of a higher level of authority, such as a teacher or an older person, make sure you say ninhao as a sign of respect. And finally, 2 third tones in a single word is always pronounced as a second tone, a rising tone, followed by a third tone, a low tone. So instead of saying ni hao, you say ni hao. Thank you for watching the video and good luck in your studies.